Have you ever noticed that no matter how much your paycheck grows, your savings often don't? That small raise or bonus feels like progress, but somehow your financial situation barely changes. It's subtle, almost invisible, but it happens to nearly everyone. Imagine a young professional in London or New York. They earn $4,000 a month after taxes. Rent takes $1,200, car payments are $400, credit card and student loan repayments add another $500. That leaves $1,900 for groceries, utilities, and personal spending. It's tight, but manageable. They feel like they're doing fine. A year later, they get a raise, now $4,500 per month. There's relief, maybe even excitement, but slowly habits adjust. They move into a slightly bigger apartment for $1,400. They upgrade the car because the old one feels outdated. Dining out happens more often. Weekend trips. Online shopping becomes easier to justify. That extra $500 almost entirely gone. This is lifestyle inflation. It's not a dramatic mistake, just a quiet one. And it doesn't feel like loss because each expense is rationalized. Yet financially, it erases the progress the raise was supposed to bring. Let's look at the math. That $500 per month, if saved or invested at a modest 5% annual return, could grow to about $30,000 over 10 years. But with lifestyle inflation, that opportunity disappears. Over a decade, the difference between letting expenses grow and controlling them is enormous. It's the difference between slowly building wealth and simply keeping up with your own spending. Why do we fall into this trap? Psychologically, our brains adapt to what we have. Each new expense or upgrade feels like a reward, a deserved improvement in lifestyle. But the satisfaction is fleeting. Soon the new lifestyle becomes the baseline, and the cycle repeats every raise, every bonus. Without noticing, you are living paycheck to paycheck, no matter how much your income grows. Now imagine this pattern continues for years. Small raises disappear into bigger rents, slightly nicer cars, more vacations. Debt quietly creeps up. Investments remain stagnant. Retirement savings barely exist. The financial progress you thought you were making never materializes. And all this happens without a single catastrophic decision, just consistent lifestyle adjustments. Contrast this with how financially intelligent people behave. They see income growth as a tool, not a reward. A raise first strengthens emergency funds, contributes to retirement, or builds investments. Lifestyle upgrades are minor, deliberate, and affordable. They understand that freedom, not comfort, should guide financial choices. Over time, controlled spending combined with consistent investing compounds far more effectively than chasing immediate satisfaction. It's not exciting, it's not glamorous, but over years it creates security, flexibility, and options. You can choose opportunities rather than being forced to react to circumstances. And the difference shows not through dramatic milestones, but through quiet stability and growing freedom. So the next time your paycheck increases, pause. Ask yourself if you're truly gaining ground or if lifestyle inflation is quietly replacing your progress. Awareness is enough to change the outcome. By noticing how small adjustments erode potential, you make smarter decisions without guilt, hype, or unnecessary stress. Understanding this pattern doesn't require extreme discipline or frugality. It requires clarity, honesty, and patience. Over time, these quiet choices accumulate, shaping your financial reality far more than any single large decision. If you found this perspective useful, consider subscribing. Small shifts in awareness can quietly, but significantly, reshape your financial future.